Tired of empty shelves before payday? Affirm could be your grocery game-changer. First, head to your favorite online grocery retailer that partners with Affirm. Instacart, Walmart Grocery, and Amazon Fresh are a few popular choices. Check directly with the store if they support Affirm. Now, fill your cart with all your grocery essentials, just like you normally would. Remember to stay within a budget you can comfortably repay. When you reach the checkout page, look for Affirm as a payment method. It's usually listed alongside credit cards and other payment options. Select Affirm. You'll be redirected to their website or app to apply for a loan. This usually involves a quick credit check and choosing a repayment plan that fits your budget. Make sure you read and understand the terms before you agree. Once approved, Affirm will pay for your groceries, and you'll repay Affirm in fixed monthly installments. Now your order is confirmed. Your groceries will be delivered as scheduled. Enjoy your meals, knowing you've managed your budget smartly with Affirm. Don't forget to make your Affirm payments on time to avoid any late fees or negative impacts on your credit.